Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a working network, so get those now. Once ready, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then pick Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You'll choose the adapter you use. That determines where DNS changes apply. Make sure you've noted two DNS addresses, primary and secondary, because you'll enter both. Don't worry about theory yet. You'll see why each step matters when Windows uses those servers for name resolution right away. Now edit the adapter. Open Properties, then click Edit under IP Assignment and choose Manual for IP4. Once done, toggle DNS to Manual and paste your primary, then secondary DNS addresses. This forces Windows to query those servers first, reducing resolution delays or applying filtering policies. If you prefer command line, use PowerShell's Set DNS Client Server Address or Netch Interface IP Set DNS for automation. Those methods are faster for multiple machines. Make sure entries are numeric. Finish by flushing the DNS cache. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons, then restart the adapter if names still fail. Next, test with enslookup or ping to a domain to verify resolution and measure latency. If responses are fast, your settings work. If things go wrong, revert to the previous DNS or check your router's DNS forwarding. Sometimes the router overrides client settings. And remember, if only one
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.